Johari window. It's very interesting topic, Johari window, and the last topic of unit 2 interpersonal relations in CET, communication and educational technology. Okay, it is one of the very interesting and it's one of the very self-awareness. Okay, based on this Johari window, we know the self-awareness and self-active. Self-active. What is the difference between you and others? Window. Okay, window in the this is the discussion between the two person. What all the peoples are suffering from, and Jorindo is one of the greatest things and component of developing the interpersonal relationship. Okay, in this topic we will discuss it about the what is Johari window meaning and process, goals and steps, and finally problems on Johari window. Okay, this is today class, Johari window. Okay, see the picture: open, blind, hidden, unknown. This is the basic steps. Now I explain one by one. Johari window. First introduction. See, two American psychologists. Okay, two American psychologists, Joseph Loft and Arrington Hingham in 1955. They both developed Johari window model. Okay, that names it tells why the Johari. Okay, why the Johari? Why the Johari window? Because Joseph Luft and Harrington Hingham. Luft and Hingham named their model Johari using the combination of their first names. Now I know. Now you know the clarity about the Johari window. Okay, why the Johari name comes from? This is the combination of two American psychologists. Okay, Joe from the Joseph Left and Harry from the Harrington Hingham. The name is the combination of their first names, Johari. Meaning, Johari window, or also called as Johari fringe, is a simple model helps to people understand their relationship, their personal or their interpersonal relationship within themselves. Okay, within themselves and with others. Within themselves, any problems in within themselves relationship, or with others relationship, any problems. This is the identification, and it is one of the tool for developing the good interpersonal relationship, and also understanding model. Okay, it's also understand. Okay, Johari window, we need the Johari window in every situation, in every time. Okay, this is one of the model. It helps the people to understand their relationship. Okay, their relationship within themselves. Okay, within the self, within self, any problem or any problem in others. Okay, it is otherwise called disclosure and feedback model. Okay, it's also known as Johari window, Johari fringe, or disclosure model, or feedback model of self-awareness. In the class, in the starting the class, I told that there's a self-awareness, creating the self-awareness, and also information processing tool. Okay, see the names: Johari window, Johari fringe, disclosure model of self-awareness, or feedback model of self-awareness, and also information processing tool. Okay, information processing tool. Okay, see, there are four windows, or four areas, or four regions. Okay, four windows. Why this window is name is called? In the normal window there are four doors. Allah, in normal kitchen window, anything rooms or all rooms, any windows, there are four. There are four characters. Like there is four regions, or four windows, or four areas. First one, open area or open self, blind self or blind area. Third one, hidden self or hidden area. Next, unknown self or unknown area. Okay, first one, open self or open area. What is that meaning of open area or open self? This region represent what is known by a person. What is known by a person? Myself. What is known by myself? what is known by the person about himself. Okay, about himself, what is known, and also known by others. Okay, see, this is open area, open, not any, no any unknown, no any hidden, no any closer area. It is open, open communication. Okay, you know the your behavior and also other person's behavior also. That is called open area or self area or open self or open area. I'll explain briefly in the box, in the Johari window box. This is some meaning. This is the first meaning, introduction. Next, blind self or blind area. Okay, this reason represent what is known about himself or herself, but which is known to others. Like the open self, this can be positive or negative, like adaptable, modest, self-conscious. Okay, this is known by yourself. Okay, this is known by yourself or unknown to others. Okay, it is represent what is unknown about himself. Okay, see, these are the meaning. Okay, these are the meaning. And next I explain in the brief about in the window. Okay, in the window, see, this is the reason blind. Okay, it is completely blind. This is completely blind. One second, one second, okay, one second. See, in the blind area, the information, okay, the information known to others, your behavior and your activity, there is, that is known to others, other peoples, but unknown to yourself. You don't know what is your behavior. Okay, you don't know what is your behavior. That's information about you that you don't know, but others do know. Blind self, blind, you are blind, you are the blind, and person who start the communication, they are blind. Okay, I am blind. You people know my, you people know my activity and my behavior, but I don't know myself. Like that, that is the blind. Blind, hidden area. Okay, hidden area, this is opposite. This reason represent what the person knows about him. I know myself. Okay, I know myself, but I hide something. I hide my activities or my behavior. Okay, others do not know myself, others do not know about myself. Okay, one either intentionally keep this information hidden from others, or you have not found any occasion or need to share it. Okay, I will not share any personal things to others. This is hidden area, hidden, HIDDEN, hidden area. Next, unknown area. This is completely unknown. You know, you don't know yourself, and the others also don't know. This reason represents what is unknown by the person about him or herself, and is also unknown by others. Complete is, this is unknown. Here there is no any communication. Here no need any starting of any interpersonal relationship. Unknown by yourself and unknown by ourself, other self. Okay, others don't know yourself, you also don't know yourself. That is unknown area. The model, Johari window model, has 4 square grid like window. Okay, like window with 4 panes. Like window, there is 4 doors. The, for example, taking any window, any kitchen windows, there are 4 doors. Like the same model, this 4 square represent 4 reasons or 4 area related to self awareness, to creating the self awareness, to creating the self awareness. Okay, Johari window is made up of for that one. See, some, this is one of the model. Now I am explain one by one. See, first one, known to others and known to self. In the open area, okay, in the open area, in the open area, known to others and known to self. Okay, in the open area, like this, you have to read that one. Okay, I have to read like this. Known to others, others know the, others know your behavior and you know yourself. Okay, known to self, known to others, that is open area. Information about you that both of you know and others also know, that is open self. Clear? Next, in blind self, blind self, known to others. Okay, in blind self, known to others, unknown to self. You don't know your behavior. Blind, you are blind. Second window is you are blind, the person, or you are blind, you don't know yourself. Okay, the information about you and that you don't know yourself, but others do know, others do know, others know yourself, but you don't know yourself. Okay, others can talk about you and your personal characters, attitude, but you don't know yourself, you don't know your behavior, you don't know your uh, attitude, like that. That's blind self, blind hidden self. Okay, hidden self, unknown to others. You hide something, you hide something. Okay, you hide, you steal some money or you steal some food, you hide that one, you hide that one information about you, that you know, that you know. Okay, that you know, but others don't know. See, known to others, unknown to others, sorry, unknown to others, but known to self. Okay, known to self, unknown to others is called hidden self. That is called information about you and that you know, but others don't know. Next, unknown to others, unknown to self, it is completely unknown self. Okay, it is completely unknown information about you that neither you nor others know. Okay, either you know nor others, no one know themselves. Okay, it is completely closed self, already known as, it's also known as closed self, closed area. You also don't know, others also don't know your behavior, them behavior, all these things. Okay, this is called complete Johari window. In the exam they may has write the Johari window model, and you have to write this one. There are 4 boxes. Okay, okay, 2 rows, 2 columns, 4 box. In the 4 box, first box is called open self, second one blind self, hidden self, unknown self. Okay, in the upper side, the open self. Okay, in the left side, known to others, I have to write this in vertical form, and known to self in the horizontal, and next unknown to self, like this. Okay, you have to write. This is the Johari window 5 marks question. They may ask 5 marks question or 2 marks. They may ask any type of the question, you have to ready to answer the question. Okay, in the Johari window model, you have to know this is very very interesting and this is very competitive model. Okay, in the future you may know the about when you're taking any masters in the future, it is very helpful. Okay, Johari window. Next, see, this for very uh, understanding purpose I put this slide. See, known to others, known to self, that is arena, also another name, arena. Okay, arena or open area, both are same. Public, what you and others know. Okay, this is completely open area. Okay, you know already. um, Completely open area. First step, let's blind self. Okay, blind spot, what others know about you but you don't see that one. Okay, I think, I hope now you are understanding. After showing this slide, now you are understanding something. Yes, see, blind spot or blind area, or blind self. Blind self, what others know about you but you don't see, you don't know. Okay, you don't know, that is blind spot. In mask, you are wearing a mask, it is private area, personal feelings, or loving something or crush, that is that are all the mask, that all wearing a mask. Okay, crush on someone or love, this all some of the mask, wearing a mask. Okay, what you share or what you hide, that is private area or mask. Next, unconscious, both are unconscious. Okay, unconscious, or say, or you are not activity, or you are physically not present, mentally also not present, you are thinking something, this is unconscious. No, neither you know nor others know. Okay, that's unknown area or unconscious. I think now clear, or clearly understanding about this Johari window. Next, I move on to next topic, that is principles. Okay, principles of Johari window. It's very interesting. Principles of Johari window. Okay, the following 3 principles help to explain how it functions. Okay, following 3 principles. 1, 2, 3. See, first one, a change in any one quadrant affects all other quadrants. Yes. See, first there are 3 principles. Okay, 3 principle. In Kannada there is print, rules and regulations. Okay, rules and regulations. See, a change in any one quadrant. Okay, in change any one quadrant, it may be a open, self, blind, hidden, unknown, any one quadrant change that affects all other quadrants. Okay, all other windows. Okay, this first one. A smaller, the smaller the quadrant one is open, the poorer the communication. Okay, the smaller the quadrant one, this pours the It releases the communication process. It releases the communication process. Interpersonal learning means that a change has taken place, so quadrant 1 is larger and one or more of the other quadrant is smaller. Okay, I hope you are not, I think it is not understandable. Okay, I think it is not understanding for you. This is not necessary principles of Johari window. There are some principles. Okay, there are some principles and rules and regulations of the Johari window. When you have to open Johari window, you have to must explain all the things. That is first principle says that you have to explain. Okay, how to practice all the four windows. You have to practice all the four windows. If you neglect any one of the window, that will complete whole interpersonal relationship will diminish or damage. Okay. Next, the smaller quadrant is one. The smaller quadrant is one or unknown person. In the unknown person or in the unknown area, that will completely for the communication. That will completely block the interpersonal relationship. That says in the that's about in second principle. Okay, in the second principle. Next, interpersonal learning how to deal the interpersonal relationship. That's learning process that may change taken. Okay, that may change as taken in any place, in any window. It may be a open, blind, hidden, unknown. That will change. Okay, that will change in any quadrant where it is changes that is larger than in remaining portions. It may change in hidden self area or in the unknown area or in the open area or in the one more, what's that, blind area. In the blind area, it is changing any interpersonal learning other, it is larger than remaining portions. Okay, remaining portions. Goals of Johari window. Okay, goals of Johari window. Goals and expected outcomes. Okay, so the goal of applying Johari window is to increase, first goal, to increase the size of your open cell. It has several benefits. Yes, when you start open yourself, when you start open your communication, open your feelings, open your thoughts, okay, open your communication, that definitely that will give some several benefits. Okay, that's increasing. You have to increase your size of your open self or open area, open the window, open the area, open area or arena. Okay, arena, it means that leads a several benefits, increasing communication process and also developing good IPR rapport or between the nurse patient relationship. It increase all these. Open self is not a dead problem, open self or open talking. Okay, next, that is first goal. That is first goal. Second goal, to build trust with others by disclosing information about oneself. Okay, to build trust. Okay, before interpersonal relationship, in the first class, in the introduction and meaning class, in the components class, in the components of IPR, in the first components is trust. Trust, belief. Okay, trust and believe yourself and also believe others also. Okay, to build trust with others by disclosing. Don't close anything or don't hide anything. In hiding anything or by disclosing information about oneself. Okay, to build trust, don't disclose anything. Don't disclose anything and complete tell about your feelings and your opinions and your thoughts, your share your emotional response. Okay, to get help from others is learning about oneself and grow as a person. Okay, to get help from others. Okay, you don't know something, you don't know in the your syllabus. Okay, I have to take help from your seniors, like that. Okay, I have to take help from your seniors. In the blind area, you don't know something, you immediately contact with your senior and ask something. Brother and sister, I don't know this topic, please explain. Or sir or madam, sir, I don't know this topic, please explain the topic, like that. Okay, that is about blind area. In the blind area, to get from the others in learning about oneself and grow as a person. That will definitely grow the person and improve the interpersonal relationship. Next, steps to use Johari window effectively. What are the steps? There are mainly three steps. Okay, there are mainly three steps to improve or to use the Johari window effectively. Effectively use of Johari window. There is first one, goal of awareness. See, goal of awareness. Why this Johari window means? To enlarge the area of quadrant 1, that means open area, to enlarge the area of open area, open cell, while reducing the size of other 3 quadrants. Yes or no? While we continuously talking or continuously developing the interpersonal relationship, that will definitely hide, that will definitely reducing the size of the person staying in the 3 windows. Okay, 3 windows: blind area, hidden area, unknown area. You have to control the 3 windows. You have to highlight, or you have to enlarge in the living room. Enlarge in living room, it is called open self or open area. Okay, now I tell what are the different steps you use Johari window effectively. Okay, to achieve this, to achieve the how to enlarge the area of quadrant 1, I mean open area, while reducing the size of other three quadrants. How will you, okay, how we will maintain this this goal means, first step to achieve this, the first step is to enlarge the first quadrant by allowing individual to genuinely express their emotions, identifying the accepting personal needs. Okay, I have to allow the individual, or she is female, i am I'm showing the shy behavior, I am the shy person, I will not talk with the females, like that. Don't show such behaviors. Okay, all are human beings, all are human. You genuinely express their emotions, you have to allow. Okay, you must allow that person, they have genuinely expressed their emotions, and identifying and accepting the personal needs. Accepting something, sharing shampoo in the, especially in the rooms or in the hostels, or girls or boys are exchanging their ideas, exchanging their feeling thoughts, and something brush, soap, and something towels, they are exchanging, like that. They have to exchanging their emotions and feelings. There is the first success step, making them move in free, joyful, spontaneous ways. Okay, making them the opposite person, or overall like to start communication with you, that people. Okay, for successful communication, or for developing the good interpersonal relationship, or to success the open window worker, you have to move in free and joyful manner. You have to move in free and joyful manner, and use spontaneous way. Don't doubt that person, don't look anxiously, and don't look angry. Don't say anything, spontaneous, freedom. Okay, freedom. This helps to explore personal thoughts, feelings, memories, actions also. Okay, see, this helps. These are the about 2 points that must, that steps helps the person to explore the feelings, personal thoughts, feelings, memories, action. This is the first step. You have to allow the person to express their feelings, to share the thoughts, feelings, memories, action, and moving free. This is first step. Okay, in second step, the next step in the process is to reduce the size of quadrant 2, that is blind area, by listening to and learning from others. Okay, you don't know, in the blind area you don't know yourself. Okay, you don't know something, you don't know meaning of communication, you don't know meaning of interpersonal relationship, for example. In that time, okay, in that time, that is in quadrant 2, that's in quadrant 2, you have to listen your seniors, you have to listen your lecture. You be a good listener, active listener. Don't talking too much in that area, that is hidden area, you don't know that one, you don't, that is blind area, you don't know that one, you don't know that topic. Okay, you don't know that uh, news. Okay, by listening to others, or you have to learning from the others. Okay, as we relate our perception to others and we broaden ourselves, but such learning requires active listening and openness to feedback from the others. You have to actively listen, don't share, don't share, and to take feedback. What's your opinion, like that, you have to ask, they will exchange their thoughts and feelings. Okay, this is next step. Next, final step involves reducing the size of quadrant 3, that is hidden area. In the hidden area, you have to reduce the numbers or size of the quadrant 3 in the hidden area. You have to, by self disclosing, you have to disclose yourself and revealing the important aspects. You have to reveal the answers, you have to reveal the your personal feelings, thoughts. Don't hide anything to others. Okay, don't hide. Hidden area. In the hidden area, you don't hide. Hidden area, you don't hide. Self-disclosure is both a sign or means of achieving health personality. Okay, self-disclosure. Okay, that's why in the beginning of the class, it's also called as self-disclosure. In the quadrant 3, we are all know about this disclosing yourself. Disclosing, there is hidden. You hide something. You are hiding your ideas, you are hiding your feelings, you are hiding your thoughts, good behavior. All of you are hiding. You are showing anger on someone's, some people's like that. You don't show like that. You have to reducing the quadrant by disclosing, self-disclosing process. You have to revealing the important aspect. You have to revealing your feelings. You have to share your feelings instead of hiding yourself. Okay, this is the main 3 steps to use Johari window effectively. Drawbacks or problems of Johari window. Okay, what are the problems? Johari window as a tool has its own drawbacks. Drawbacks or problems, it's also called as problems or drawbacks. Okay, don't make confused. Some intimate things are better not to be communicated with others. People may further pass on information they receive or use it in negative. Okay, okay, when we using Johari window, oh, today sir told that Johari window there are 4 windows: open, hidden, open, blind, hidden, unknown. Okay, in the final step, in the last step, sir is told like that. Final step, we have to self-disclosing. You have to disclose all things. Okay, all things. Sir ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಸರ್ is told like that ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು again you were calling your parents, mom, dad, I am loving someone like that. If you take decision like that, ma'am, I am loving someone, I cannot without or without him, please marry me to that person. And you can, when you ask that on, you are unhiding yourself, or you are free from quadrant 3 hidden self, and that will use in, that will your parents receive that message in negative way. Okay, your parents receive your message in negative, your parents is receiving your message in negative way. Okay, people may further pass on information they received and use it in a negative way. See, that is the first problem. That is the first problem. You have to think and explain. You have, before you starting the uh, before you hiding something, you have to think and tell. You have to think and tell. If we can say this thing or this like that, you have to discuss yourself and tell. Don't make sudden decision. Okay, that is first problem. And second one, some people are cultural have a very open, accepting approach to feedback, and some do not. This may end up in terminating the relationship itself. Okay, see, this also, when you're telling something, when you're telling like that to your parents, the parents will cut your relations. Okay, your bad son, your bad daughter. Now itself, I'll cutting your relations, terminating, controlling, or preventing, or stopping the relationship, termination, finish. ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ತಂದೆ ಮಗ ಋಣ ತೀರಿತು. By today itself, our relationship is finished. Go wherever you want, you go on. They may send. See, this is, they may have some problems of Johari window. That's why I have to be careful when talking or when sharing your feelings. There is the drawbacks of Johari window or problems. Next conclusion, you already know that open, blind, hidden, unknown. What's your work is, you have to write this Johari window and practice. Okay, that may know your easy work. Okay, open, blind, hidden, unknown. In the left side, known to others and known to self. Known to others, unknown to self, that's blind self. Known to others, unknown, known to self, that's hidden self. Or unknown to others, unknown to self, that is unknown self or unconscious. That is Johari window. That is the conclusion. It's very important aspect in the self-awareness, creating the self-awareness and creating the good interpersonal relationship, and also controlling some of the few important matters, thinking and important matters, sharing to your parents, with your friends, with your colleagues, anybody. Okay, that may also give some of the problems or drawbacks of the Johari window. And the main 3 steps, how to improve or open your allow the person to explain them feelings, explain, sharing their feelings, allow the person. That is first step. In second step, receive the person feedback, give the good feedback. The quadrant 2, you have to don't hide anything, Okay, don't hide anything in the third step. Also, don't hide anything. Share all that one to your parents, your colleagues, all the persons. Okay, in unknown self, you both learn how to manage the interpersonal relationship. It may be a verbal communication, and it may be non-verbal communication. Also, this no problem. Okay, this is about the Johari window conclusion. Okay, next, if you have any doubts, please put your doubt or clarification in the comment box or in the chat box. Okay, thank you.